This image shows a before and after effect for 11-year-old pre-commercial thinning and alder slashing unit. If you look here, this is the before. So we flew this with a 1-inch resolution with the drone. You can see the alder is all this lime green, and some of these areas needed to be PCT'd as well, like this area you see here, a little overstocked. You can see the alder mixed in with the conifers here. As I move this slider across, we did the same flight with the drone over the same area, and you can see as I move across how the alders are disappearing because they've been cut. So this is a good demonstration of how you can see and audit that the entire unit has been properly thinned. You can also look for areas of overstocking, like here. As I go across, you notice there's more spacing between the trees. I can also zoom in even further down to 1-inch resolution. So as I move back, this very clear right here, all this alder right here, it's all gone now. So you can see that the thinners did their job. This alder here, as I go across, you can see it's all gone now. So this is after, this is before.